We are now at Nakano JR Station. Today, we are going to take you to our Airbnb in Nakano. We actually need to take the south exit on the right to get to our Airbnb. But before that, let's take a quick look at the north exit, which leads to the main shopping district around Nakano Station. One of the advantages of staying at Roland's house Airbnb is its convenient location near Nakano Station, as well as being more affordable compared to staying in central Tokyo. Roland's house Airbnb is just about a 10-minute easy walk from Nakano JR Station's north exit, giving you easy access to public transport, as well as the many shops and restaurants nearby, including the famous Nakano Broadway shopping complex. As we have our luggage with us, we decide to take a taxi instead of walking. The short ride to our Airbnb costs around 700 yen. Here we are at Roland's house, our home for the next few days in Tokyo. I've added the address in the description, so you can check it out on Google Maps. These stairs are quite steep, and there's no elevator, so you'll need to carry your luggage up. If you have heavy or bulky luggage, just be careful. Our room is on the 3rd floor, and we still have one more level to go. And here we are, room 301. Okay, we've settled into the room. Now, let me show you what it looks like. I'll let the video speak for itself from here, so you can take a look and judge the room for yourself. This is the floor plan of the property. We are in the apartment marked with the red dot. Let's take a look outside the window. This is the view looking down onto 5 Chome. Traffic noise can be heard quite clearly, especially during busy times. Let's head outside for a walk. The stairs feel especially a bit scary when going down. It would be better if there was a handrail for support. The stairs and lack of an elevator were mentioned in the booking, but it's hard to imagine just how steep they actually are. Just next to Roland's house, there's a coin laundry. Let's take a walk around the neighborhood. Right in front of us is the bus stop, where you can catch a bus from Nakano Station to here, and on the opposite side of the road, you'll find the stop for buses heading back the other way. It's Sunday afternoon today, so the street is fairly quiet, with most shops closed. Ambulance sirens are quite common around here, and we can hear them clearly at night while we are sleeping. Nearby, there's a ramen shop called Hakata Ramen Barikote. We had our first dinner here. We ordered an all-inclusive ramen and a Hakata ramen. They were so delicious. You can even get your noodles refilled for free. I highly recommend this ramen restaurant. Close to Roland's house, there's a convenience store. We picked up some supplies for the first night, before heading to the supermarket to stock up. After staying at Roland's house for 10 days, today is our last day here. Let's take one final detailed look around the apartment. Apart from the steep stairs, the creaky beds, and the street noise, our experience here has been very pleasant. The owner has been very helpful and kind. She was attentive, helped us resolve a few minor issues, and even allowed us to stay until 12 instead of the usual 10 a.m. checkout. Alright, it's time to check out now. Hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll see you in the next one.